The exhilarating journey of essay writing. It's a path filled with creativity, critical thinking, and the joy of expressing your thoughts on paper. A task that can seem daunting at first, especially when faced with a blank page and a looming deadline. The pressure to produce something meaningful can be overwhelming, but fear not, for with the right tips and tricks, you can conquer it like a seasoned warrior. Imagine transforming that initial anxiety into a sense of accomplishment and pride. Step 1. Dive into your research. This is the foundation of a strong essay. Gather all the necessary information on your topic and let your curiosity fuel your quest for knowledge. Explore various sources, from books to academic journals and even credible websites. The more you know, the more vividly you can bring your essay to life. Your research will provide the evidence and examples needed to support your arguments. Step 2. Outline like there's no tomorrow. An outline is your roadmap, guiding you through the writing process. Create a roadmap for your essay by outlining your main ideas and supporting details. This structure will help you stay organized and ensure that your essay flows logically from one point to the next. This will help you stay focused and ensure a cohesive flow in your writing. Remember, a well-structured essay is easier to read and understand. Step 3. Embrace the power of revision. Writing is rewriting, and your first draft is just the beginning. Don't be afraid to edit, revise, and polish your work. Each revision brings you closer to clarity and precision. It's through revisions that diamonds are formed from coal. Take the time to refine your arguments, improve your word choice, and correct any grammatical errors. Remember, perfection is not achieved in one draft. Each draft is a step closer to your final masterpiece. And lastly, step 4. Conclude with flair. Your conclusion is your final opportunity to leave a lasting impression. Leave your readers with a lasting impression by summarizing your key points and offering insights that will linger long after they've finished reading. A strong conclusion ties everything together and reinforces your main arguments. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets to mastering the art of essay writing. With practice, these steps will become second nature. So go forth with confidence, armed with these tips and tricks, as you embark on countless writing adventures. Each essay is an opportunity to improve and showcase your skills. The journey of 1,000 words begins with just one keystroke. Happy writing!